Good morning, kids and dear parents. I hope all our little Ellie kids are watching me. Can you give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live now? Is anybody there? Can you all give me thumbs up if you're watching me live? Okay, let's wait for some more time. Hello, Geeta. Where are you from? Please type in your location. Hi, Soumya. I can see Megha, Mahesh, Shenoy. Where are you from, Megha? Please type your child's name and your location also. Type your children's name, please, so that we'll know from which place you all are from. Okay, let's wait for some more time. This is a very exciting session. I hope everybody will like it. Let's wait for 5 more minutes and let us start. If you all are watching me, give me thumbs up. Let me see how many of you all are watching. Is it only Soumya and Megha? Can you please type your child's name in the comment section? Soumya and Megha. We should start in another 3 or 4 minutes. Let's wait for some more people to join us. Well, I'm Sindhu Bhupalam from Shimoga. I'm a homemaker and I'm a passionate singer, and I love to cook food for children in a colorful and artistic way. So we are going to see some fantastic food arts for kids that are almost very cute for you all to try it out at home and give it to your children. So whenever there is a meal time, it's a battle for the parents. I really know it because I have 2 children of my own and I know the problem of every parent. So I'm sure you will be serving the fruits and vegetables each day according to the balanced diet. So today I have come up with some interesting delicious and adorable food art ideas for your kids, and I want you all to participate in this session. I assure that your children won't able to resist after this. Here we go. But before going to start, I would start with a riddle. Keep guessing and share your answers on the comment box so that I would be able to read it out later. So, moms, I think you should not prompt your child to guess the fruit or vegetable riddle. So, here I go. I am yellow and long. I am a fruit. Monkeys love to eat me. Who am I? Let me repeat. I am yellow and long. I am a fruit. Monkeys eat me. Who am I? Fine, let's start now. Keep guessing and keep commenting. Don't forget. Okay. Today we are going to do a capsicum train, and for that we need some. I have all the things ready here. I want to show you all here. Some bell peppers, red, yellow, green bell peppers, and I have 2 cucumbers in 2 colors. One is dark green and the light green, and I have some carrot. Okay, let's start. If you have all the ingredients at home, why don't you try it here? And one more thing I want to suggest you all, before doing any food art, I want you all to wash the vegetables very thoroughly so that there are no pesticides in it. And for the capsicums, you need to just soak it in salt water for at least 15 minutes so that there is no pesticides in it. Okay, let's go. I've taken a green capsicum. I'm cutting it into half. I'll just de-seed it and I'll leave these here just as it is. The same way I'll be doing with the other bell peppers too. Okay. Now I'm taking the yellow one. Just cut it into 2. These are the carriages for our train. See? Now I'll be taking the red bell pepper. You know how to choose a bell pepper? Actually, there are 4 humps here. That is known to be a female, and it is sweeter than the 3 humps one. So you always choose a female. Now our carriages are ready. Okay, now let's take some carrots. I'll just make juliennes of it so that it looks very attractive for the kids. This is the way I'm cutting it. Just snip off the round shape of a carrot and keep it aside, and then you can cut them like this. This is the flat surface on both the sides, and then we are cutting it in lengthy strips. would like to arrange it in orange, green capsicum, because the combination looks very good. Green and orange goes very well. So I'll be placing it like this inside the capsicum. I may need few more to fill it up. Yeah. One of my capsicum and carriage is ready. Now let's do it with the other vegetables too. I'm chopping some cucumbers. This also we are doing it in the same way as we did for the carrots. You have to remove this bulgy side of the thing, make it into a flat surface and then cut into juliennes. I will use this with yellow bell pepper. Kids always love cucumbers very much, and you can give them as much as you want them to eat, and even it is an appetizer. This is my second carriage with cucumbers. I'll be using some juliennes of red capsicum as well, so that it looks very colorful and attractive. I want you to remove this part, the inside part of the capsicum, so that you can cut it straight into strips. Let me put this into the green capsicum. This is the green capsicum with red capsicum juliennes. Let me cut out the yellow capsicum into juliennes and fill it up with the red capsicum. this is a red bell pepper with the yellow bell pepper fingers or juliennes, whatever, however you want to call. Okay, let's make wheels for this. And for the last one, I'm leaving it empty so that you can fill it up with hummus or a cheese dip or a hunk dip. All goes very well with the veggies. Your children would really love it. So I'm leaving this empty to fill it up with the dips. Now we are cutting this dark colored cucumber for the rings, for the tires of the carriage. Are you able to see the tires? Okay, can you see? This is how it looks. Okay, I'll keep this empty one also so that you can fill it up with a cheese dip or something, whichever you like. And here goes another tire with this. Are you all able to see the train? Yeah? This is how it looks. Did you all find it interesting? Will you all try it at home? Okay. Did you all really enjoy it? Yes. Okay. There are so many of them logging in. Hello. Preeti Rajpura, hi. Saumya, Yogeshwari, Rahul. Hello everybody. Welcome. I welcome you all to the show. I hope you all are enjoying. This is my first thing. Did you all see it? Did you all like it? Abhinav Krishna. Okay. Then okay, let me tell you all about the benefits of whatever ingredients I have used today. The first benefit is of a carrot. Okay, how many of you all have seen different varieties of carrots? Okay, Saumya, Ditya is your child, and Sridevi, hi Sridevi, Janki Ram, Sandhya. Wow, the answers for the riddle are coming up. Very cute. Okay, let me explain you about the benefits of the carrots today. So there are 3 varieties to 4 varieties of carrots. How many of you all have seen all the 4 varieties? Hi Arvind, hi Abhijit. Okay, the answers are coming up. Very good. Okay, the carrots, I have seen red and orange, but rarely we see purple and what is that? Yellow. Purple and yellow are very rare, but Ooty is very much famous for carrots, red carrots, and they have a very soft and sweet texture. So the benefits of carrots are it improves your vision, it keeps your skin healthy, and it also keeps you young. Moms and children, I want you all to eat it every day. So the next one would be the bell peppers, what I have used. Okay, I have shown you all the colors. Can you all come up with the colors? Okay, it is red, green and yellow. Bell peppers are very good for your heart. It boosts your immune system and it's very good for your eyes. And you can use broccolis or cauliflowers just to fill it up. I have some cauliflowers. Let me do it for you all. Even this looks very pretty. Because I don't have a dip right now, I'm just filling cauliflower. So instead of cauliflower, you can use broccolis as well. Broccolis are very healthy comparatively with cauliflowers. And I would like to tell you all the health benefits about broccoli itself, because it has lots and lots of vitamin E loaded in it. And you can use it in gravies, or you can just make it into a soup or a stir fry or bake it with cheese, however you like to have. Then it promotes your healthy bones, and it also prevents you from colds and cough. So during the rainy season, I think you should make a soup out of it. Then comes the cucumbers. Cucumbers are loved by everyone. Hi Sangeeta, hi Pooja, hi Shamla. Then cucumbers contains almost all the vitamins in it. B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, you name it and you'll find it. So the benefits of it goes like this. It provides you with a bright and glowing complexion. Then would you like to have it? Helps to prevent constipation, and it also keeps your body in a healthy way and function very well. Okay, let me answer to the, let me see who all have answered my question. The first riddle. Okay, what is this? Pooja. What is this? Shachipati case. Okay. Then, so the answer. Are you all coming up with the answers? Can I read your names? Is there anybody to answer? Okay. So all of you all have answered it. Who's this? Shamla Vinod. Hi Shamla. Okay, my answer for the first riddle was, it goes like this. It is a banana. Okay, many of you all have answered it. It was a good try. Let's move on to the second food art. Okay, let me clear this up. and we'll go to the second one. You all must be very much excited to see what the second one would be, right? It is something to do with the pizza. How many of y'all like pizza? Please comment on the comment section. Let me see how many of y'all like it. Okay, all of you want a healthy pizza, right? Very good, right choice. Okay, this is a watermelon pizza. I'll be showing it to you all today. And the things we need is a watermelon. I have cut the middle part of the watermelon and a few bananas for the color. Hi Naman. Hi Ganavi. Hi Pallavi. Hi Lalita. It's nice to see you all here. Okay, this is a mango and this is a kiwi. I'll be using it for today's pizza. Okay. The name itself is very exciting, right? Let me top it with some cheese slices. I have some cheese slices. Kids love them. So you can use it with any of your fruits or vegetables. Okay. Let me top it with your favorite fruits. Whatever I have, I'll use it. So let me peel some bananas. I'm just making some rounds for this. Okay, I have some banana rounds. Okay children, what are the fruits that you all like? Hi Pratibha. Okay. Give me those kiwis. Mango. Okay. Let me use this cutting board. I have a mango peel here, so I'll be using that. You can make any shapes as your child wishes to. I will be using it in a cone shape and I'll be placing it on the pizza. I have some bananas. I'll be cutting it into two. I need pomegranates. I'll be using some mango. I'll cut it into small pieces. It's always recommended for the kids from the age of 2 to 4. The cutting should be very small so that they avoid the choking hazard. You can use any colorful and seasonal fruits. It's not mandatory to use the same thing what I've used. Is it looking colorful? Did you all like it? Let me use some pomegranate so that it looks more colorful. can also ask your children to top it. They will be really excited. Okay. Now let us slice it on one side so that it looks like a pizza. Here is your pizza, ready to consume. How many of you all liked it? Can I have your thumbs up? Yeah. If you are using grapes, please soak it for 15 minutes and you wash it thoroughly before using it. Okay. Can you all give? Can I get some hearts if you all liked it? I didn't get any hearts. Send me hearts. I need hearts. Okay. Can I read out some benefits of it? Firstly, I used banana. It is stronger for your bones. It powers your brain like anything, and it regulates the bowel movement. Secondly, we used mangoes. Mangoes boosts your immune system. It improves your digestion, and it is very good for your eyes. Now it is seasonal and it is going to end. Munch them on, kids. And let's go to kiwis. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C. It helps in cell regeneration, good for digestion, and it rejuvenates your skin. Okay, now tell me how many of you all answered to my riddle? Sorry, I didn't ask you all the riddle, right? Okay, I'll do it now. I am green in color. I look like a tree. I'm a vegetable. Who am I? Okay, once again. I am green in color. I look like a tree. I am a vegetable. Who am I? Let me give you a hint. I can use it as an alternative for cauliflower. Keep guessing till I do my another vegetable plating. Let me clear this out. Okay. Next comes the cauliflower tree. Okay, I need some tomatoes, cauliflowers, carrots and almonds for this. Only 4 ingredients. Do you have it at your house? You can try it with me. Okay, I have this. I need to cut some juliennes of carrots as I have showed you earlier. I'll be removing the edge like this. Potatoes. Okay. the bark of the tree ready now. Let me start. For the bark of the tree, I'll be using the juliennes of the carrots. You can chop it or shred it, right? Shred it also. Are you all able to see? Okay. Next, I'll be for the leaf section, I'll be using the cauliflowers. I have cut the cauliflower into florets, and then I have boiled it in for 1 minute in salt water. It's always recommended to add salt and turmeric. Because of decolorization, I have not added turmeric today. But whenever you boil a cauliflower or a broccoli, see that you boil it with water, salt and turmeric. When you are cutting it for plating, see that it is flat here, flat, so that it sits properly on the plate. Broccoli tree also looks very pretty. You can try it out with them if it is available. Since this is a lockdown period, I was not able to get the broccolis today. So I'm showing you all with the help of a cauliflower. Okay. This is the tree and this is the trunk. For the mud, we'll be using some almonds. Doesn't it look healthy? I'm sure your kids will love to do it. I'll be cutting some tomatoes so that it looks colorful, and I'll be using it as a fruit on the tree. So this is the cauliflower tree. This is ready for y'all. Are you all able to see it? Okay, let me turn it that side. Yes. I have previously done some platings for y'all because there is very short of time. This is a casserole made out of bananas, carrots, capsicum. You can use strawberries here, but I didn't get any strawberries, that's why I'm using capsicum here. You use a strawberry. There are some kiwis here, and these are some cornflakes. Did you all like it? This is a cute little butterfly. I love butterfly. These are tomatoes, tomato yach. Okay, I have filled some sprouts, green sprouts. I have used yellow capsicum, red capsicum, and some beetroots. These are the race cars for you guys. How does it look? I have made this from a pear, grapes and apple. Just 3 ingredients. And this is the carrots which I have grated. This is the last. It's very much time consuming, but it is very pretty, I think. Even you should think, because it took a lot of time for me to make this. I have used some carrots, cucumbers, capsicum and a radish too. For the sun I have used the lemons, and these are some cornflakes. Okay, let me tell you about the benefits of cauliflower. Okay, it's a great source of antioxidant and it's very good for your eyes. And almonds, as you know, it boosts your energy and promotes healthy brain development. All you have to do is soak some 4 or 5 of the almonds in water, and in the morning you just peel it off and give it off to your small kids. For about 4 or 5 is more than enough for a kid. So, did you all type in the answers for the riddle? How many of you all did? I didn't see even one. I didn't see even one. Okay, let me answer the second riddle. That would go. Can you guess? Any more guesses? Can I wait? Okay. It is broccoli. Okay. You want one more riddle this time? Okay, let us start. I am green in color. When you cut me open, I am red. Children prefer to consume it in summer. I am a fruit. Who am I? I have already used this fruit in my food art. That is a hint for you all. Keep guessing. Okay. Do you like to play with children? Okay. Food art is one of the best ways, fun and interactive way that you can teach your children, involving them like using the fruit cutters or a cookie cutter or vegetables of your choice. Okay, so many of you are guessing it right. Yeah, it's a broccoli. Okay, let us move on to the next and interesting food art. I'll be calling upon 2 little kids. They are very much excited to do it. Parents, if we had already informed you all to keep some fruits and cookie cutter, if you have, you can bring it out now, and you can also do it along with me. Okay, I have 2 sweet little children here. Please come here. Okay, this is Aniket and this is Vian. Where are you, Vian? Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Aniket.
Hi.
Okay, Aniket is 9 years old and Vian is?
6 years.
Yes, he's 6 years old, and they want to try some fruit cuttings with me. So, I need some, what is this? Cookie cutters. I have a heart shape, a star, a flower, one big round, and the other one is a small round, if you can see. And I have some flowers too. All you need is some skewers for this, some kiwis, bananas, and mango. I need some watermelon also. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Will you take another one?
Yes. I have cut these watermelons before itself so that it would be easy now. Okay.
Ma'am, can I cut first?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you which shape? Okay, heart. Can you?
I
You want star?
I want
Okay.
start with mango.
Yeah. Okay. You go along with the heart.
Okay.
This is the top. Okay. This is the bottom part.
Oh, you.
Just pierce it. Yes.
Ma'am, I want
Press
to
it.
do a mango star.
Yeah. Okay. Can you do 2 more for me, Aniket?
Okay.
Yes. See that you don't waste it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. This is fine. Okay, Vian, come. This is too deep, so I'll be cutting it into 2. Okay. Yeah. This is a heart shape. What Aniket has done. Well done, Aniket.
Thank you.
Okay. You want to do a mango? Okay.
Mango star.
Okay. Give me that. Yes. Both. And the kiwis. Banana too. I'm just cutting off the bulge so that I get a even on both sides. Okay. You're doing a star? Okay,
Yes.
you start from here. Where? Okay, correct. Okay, just press it harder. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes,
Push it. Yes. Wow, Vyam, this is so nice.
Aniket was also so nice.
Yeah, even yours is nice. Can you make one more for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, leave it. I'll do it. Okay, I got one more star. Oh, this is broken. Can you try one more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Okay, do it here. Wait, let me see. Yes, this is right. Press it. Yes, Vian, this is awesome. See, you have got a perfect shape. Vian has done a good job. See, a perfect star. Okay, so I'll be doing one more star. I don't want to waste this. I'll cut some bananas. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to give you all some good task. Okay. What shape do you want in kiwis? Shall we make a flower out of it?
Let's make a circle. Aniket.
That won't look so good because
Okay,
this doesn't
how about
come.
you can take
Yeah,
flower?
okay. Flower looks good. Let's do it.
Even I want to make.
Okay.
Shall I make?
Just see in the middle. Yeah. Just press it harder. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Very neatly you have to remove this. Wow, Aniket, you got a very good shape. See? Look at this. Can you do something like this? Same thing?
I want to also do the
Yeah.
same thing.
Yeah. Okay. Ready, Aniket?
Thank you.
Wait. Yeah. You can do it. Aniket, I want one more. Can you do?
Okay.
Be faster. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Press it.
Aunt.
Yes. Vian's flour is ready.
My flowers.
Okay, let me do the last one. Okay. So we have some bananas. See, I want to show you all something which I have made previously. You can do the skewers like this. I have used some kiwis. Can you all see? Kiwis, black grapes, watermelon. Only 3 fruits I have used in it. Can you all see? Okay. And I have done one more skewer. Only with grapes and watermelon. So I'll be doing it with 4 colors now. The kids have cut it for me. Let me do it. This. Give me the grapes. Let me have some grapes. Okay.
That's blueberry.
No, it's a grape.
Oh yeah. I thought it was a blueberry.
Okay, now goes the mango. We'll have another grape. Is it looking colorful, Vian?
Yes. It's
How is it,
nice.
Aniket?
Cool.
Okay.
I want
Let me go with a kiwi. Okay. I have one more to put. So I'll be pulling it down. Another heart. Yes. Is it looking colorful? Would you like to try? How many of y'all have tried? Okay, children, you have seen all these skewers. I want you all to make one each for me.
Okay. Okay.
Let them do that.
Okay.
Okay, you can take your plates and you can do it there and bring it back to me. Okay?
Then I need sticks.
I'll give you. Okay.
Oh.
Keep it here. Okay. Both of y'all take these, try it out and get it to me later. Okay?
But
Okay. Leave this here. Leave this here. Thank you.
but I want the star.
Okay. Take these and try. Okay? How many of you all tried it here? How many of you all have tried already?
We need also blue.
Leave it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Very quickly. Okay. Let me see the comment box. Okay. Let me ask you another riddle. I come in different colors like purple and green. Before I become a raisin, I was a bunch of these. Kids love me. Who am I? Okay, you keep thinking. By that time, I'll be ready with another food art. Okay, for these I have some pretty colorful canopies which are easily available in the supermarkets. You just need to bake it for 10 seconds or deep fry it, however you feel like doing it. But today I have just baked it for 10 seconds. And for this, all we need is, okay, carrots and shredded beetroots. Okay, Aniket has finished with his project. Here it goes. Does it look colorful? Involve your kids in making it. Okay. Don't interrupt. Okay, let me start again. These are some shredded carrots and beetroots. This is boiled potatoes. I have added a little bit of salt. And then these are some pomegranates. Some sprouts, green sprouts, and some boiled corn with salt, and some pudina chutney, that is the spinach, pudina mint chutney. Okay, then let's start. I'm just taking a little bit of boiled and mashed potatoes, and I'm just adding it inside this. Okay, these canopies are easily available in supermarkets. It is something like wafers. There's no added sugar in it, so you can use it for your kids. It's healthy. So the boiled potatoes are going inside the canopies. Children usually like potatoes, that is why I have boiled it today. And so on that, let me add some green sprouts. You can use any of the sprouts, whatever your kid. Sprouts are always been a very healthy food for everybody. It has lots of proteins in it. Okay. Then we'll add some boiled corn. I have added little salt while boiling it. I'm adding some pomegranates for the sweetness. Isn't it looking colorful? Now I'm adding a little bit of carrots and beetroots. Just some of them. I'll add some mint chutney which I have blended in a blender. This is very easy and simple. All you need to have is a cup of coriander and half a cup of mint, and then one green chili, little salt and lemon. That is all is added to this chutney. Here the canopies are ready for you all to eat. Isn't it looking very colorful? Are you not tempted? It's very delicious. Children love it. You try it at your house. Okay. I said for the raw vegetables you can use hummus. Hummus is a very easy dip where you can soak some chickpeas overnight, and then you have to mix a pod of garlic and a handful of boiled potatoes, a few coriander leaves and little bit of salt and lemon. That is all you have to do. Just blend it in a blender and you can use it with any of your vegetables. It is very delicious and even the food children like it very much. Okay, now can you answer me the riddle what I had given you all? Have anybody tried the skewers? If you have tried it, please put it on the comment section so that I'll be able to see it. Okay, children from the age of 2 to 4 years, they require a calories of 1000 to 1500 calories per day. So see how many calories your kids are taking. And if you're filling up a plate, a meal has to be quarter, it has to be with fruits and quarter with vegetables, and the other remaining part would be of the whole grains. This is how it has to be. Did you all enjoy the session? Did anybody try your skewers? If you don't have a skewer, you can always go with a toothpick, just with 1 or 2 fruits on the fruits toothpick. Okay. Let me repeat the riddle once again because I didn't get any answers from you all. I come in different colors like green and purple. Before I become a raisin, I was a bunch of these. Who am I? Okay, the answer is grapes. So grapes comes in 2 colors or maybe 3. Some in maroon, a dark shade of brown in fact, and black and also green. We have seen all the 3 colors. My dear kids and parents, thank you so much for encouraging and watching me. I'm truly overwhelmed to see all your comments on the comment boxes. Hope all your kids enjoyed it. If you have anything which you have done, you can post it on the comment box. I would love to see them. Stay home, stay safe. I have tried so many posts and I have uploaded it. You can see it later. I thank Little Ellie School for giving me this opportunity, and I also thank Dr. Pradeep for guiding me with some of the things. Thank you guys. I'm signing off. I was really very excited to be with you all for an hour. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.